Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch X1 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home page of the application. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see your Mibro Watch X1. Right here it should say connected. Now tap on the watch faces option. Here tap on the album dial. And now we can basically customize our watch face. So first we can add the background, so tap on this plus button, allow the permission, and we have two options. We can take a photo with the camera and use it as a watch face, or we can basically select the picture from our phone to use as a watch face. I'm gonna select the picture, but if you want to use the camera option, simply tap on this camera icon right here to open the camera app and take a picture. I'm gonna tap on the picture to select it. Then we can crop the image. Basically you can zoom in, zoom out and move around like this. And once you're done, tap on this box right here, then tap on apply. Oh, never mind, now we can crop the image. So basically we can zoom in and zoom out. Let me go back and reopen it because something bugged, but select the picture, tap on the box, tap on apply, and now we can crop the image. We can move around this frame, we can make it smaller, bigger, and whatever is gonna be on this highlighted area or in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. So I'm gonna crop it like this and then tap on crop. And here we have a preview of our watch face. You can select the font style and then the position of the clock, and then also the color of the font. And once you're done, tap on set as current dial to install the watch face on your watch. And after it's done installing, it will be applied on your watch, as you can see. And now we can close the app. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.